Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to make delicious toffee apples at home. To start, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 firm apples, like Granny Smith or Fuji. Also, prepare 200 grams of granulated sugar, 100 milliliters of water, 50 grams of butter, and 2 tablespoons of golden syrup. Don't forget your wooden skewers or lollipop sticks for easy handling. Getting everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Before we dive into making the toffee, proper apple preparation is key for a perfect result. First, wash and thoroughly dry each apple. This ensures the toffee adheres beautifully. Next, carefully remove any stems and firmly insert a wooden skewer into the core of each apple. Finally, lightly grease a baking sheet or line it with parchment paper. This simple step prevents your delicious toffee apples from sticking once they're dipped and cooling. Now for the heart of our recipe, crafting that irresistible toffee. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your 200 grams of sugar, 100 milliliters of water, 50 grams of butter, and 2 tablespoons of golden syrup. Heat this mixture gently, stirring until all the sugar completely dissolves. Then, increase the heat and boil without stirring until it reaches precisely 150 degrees Celsius. Using a reliable sugar thermometer is crucial for achieving the perfect, crisp toffee consistency. With your perfect toffee ready, it's time for the fun part. Dipping. Carefully take each prepared apple by its skewer and dip it into the hot toffee, rotating to ensure an even, glossy coating. Allow any excess toffee to drip off for a moment before placing the apple onto your prepared baking sheet. If you like, sprinkle with nuts or colorful sprinkles immediately. Let your beautiful toffee apples cool completely at room temperature for about 30 minutes until the toffee is firm and shiny. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.